My name is Marina Fedorova. I'm a web designer. I'm studying in Moscow Web Design School UPROCK, and now I want to present my project. It is the mobile app for a bank. The main trigger was to create a convenient, functional, and aesthetic design for online bank. To do this, I did a lot of analytical work, looked for many good references, and drew my mobile app with unique design different from competitors. It is not the first app for me, so the creation app was not difficult for me. The process was very interesting. I got very excited. Luckily, there are many famous banks. They invest a lot of money to create and develop convenient, useful, and fast online services. So there are many examples for analytic work and references. The process of working on the project began with the completion of the brief. This is full information about future project. What is the app? What is the app's target audience? What does it need? What is the universal sales offer? What is the app structure? Who are the main competitors? The app's target audience. These are people from 18 to 70 years old. They use payment cards and online mobile apps to transfer money to other users of payment system. Now I tell about user flow. I am active user of online banking apps. It was easy for me to understand the basic user flow from entrance to payment or transfer money to the other account. The security of money and personal information is too important in the banking services, so it is necessary to have a full registration process. But people don't like to sync up. They want to use the apps without it. To solve this problem, I create the possibility to order the new payment card after installing the app right now, and the card insurance is the sync up of the new account. My analytic work. There are many competitors in the market of banking services. I analyzed the functions of mobile app of Tinkoff Bank, Sberbank, VTB, and Alpha Bank. I wrote down everything to the big table. I rate each function on a 5-point scale and choose a minimal function set to this kind of app. For example, these are additional security to sign up, transfer by phone numbers, card numbers, requisites, scan QR code to see the payment history, statistical data, setting of personality accounts, services, and other. I determined the entity of the app. These are payment cards and transactions. Next, I determined here attributes and necessary to have them on the payment cards and the screens. I use the service Mira.com to build whole structure of my app to understand the interaction between the screens. After that, I create apps map. This map shows the function of every step in user flow. Functional prototype and animated prototype in Figma show the sequence of actions. Did I forget something important in the future app? All this information needed me to write a full technical task and begin to draw a visual part of the project. Visualization of app screens. I saw many projects from banking services, cryptocurrency trading, and statistical service. I was looking for any convenient and visual awesome mobile apps examples from other topics. I looked for the best cases from the best web design sites, which were marked with the highest awards in UX UI design. I matched design concept for the app very quickly. The project excited me. I spent all my free time on this project. I like the gray and pink colors. That's but banking application theme needs stricter colors. That's why deep red become an accent color. Next, I devised the design system. I wanted to create a unique design for every type of elements in uniform style. Every day I look for any references and unusual examples. So I drew 12 main screens for a basic user flow in light and dark colors. In time of working, I draw more than 120 screens in light colors. There are main screens and the screens with microstates. I create an interactive prototype and tested it on 6 people. They said that the application is convenient, useful, and has a stylish visual design. That's very good feedback. At the end, I left comments to the developers. Everything should be clear. They will not have any questions. So the layouts were ready to be sent to the programmers. My mobile app has unique visual design. That's why it is suitable for both operation systems, for iOS and Android. After that, I create the presentation case with all mobile app screens for Behance. A particular addition was the graphics. I finished an interactive course to learn the art of the graphic posters 2 weeks ago. I draw posters, business cards, and theme boards um, for the presentation case. Now the case looks more graphic and interesting. Only on this stage I finally decided with font in the bank's logotype. Features of my app, these are security of personal information, personal account. User can order the payment cards, save requisites as template, scan QR code on the main screen, transfer money by phone numbers, card numbers, between own accounts, by requisites to other payment system. Statistical data, history of payment, and additional services. It is credits, investment, insurance, and money box. The project is stylish because I used quality pictures were generated by neural network, unusual style buttons and round corners in the elements, shades of gray with deep red accent color. In conclusion, I want to say that I was very happy to work with this project. Big and deep analytical work of bank competitors helps me to understand all nuances of my future app. Stylish and friendly design was added to clean and useful user flow. Before this project, I thought that the banking industry is not the place for aesthetic, but now I think I could mix this task very well. Thank you for your attention. You can look this case, go links under the video on my Behance or on my personal portfolio website. Thank you.